Hey guys, it's your girl Shalicia coming back. I did more shopping. Honestly guys, this is the last designer bag that I'm going to be showing you for at least a few months. Fingers crossed. Anything's possible. Now, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Shalicia. I do all things beauty and mostly beauty, but I've been trying to dabble into the fashion world, the luxury world, and all that jazz in the last few months, because I find like people really like those videos on my channels. So I thought I'd share with you my little journey into the world. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Like I said, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And with this, it's another luxury bag unboxing per se. If you want to see my previous one, I did like my triple unboxing Louis Vuitton one. I'll leave it in the cards above. I did my Gucci one. I think, yeah, my Gucci one will go up before this one. So my Gucci one and my Marc Jacobs tote. So those will be linked up in the cards above if you're interested, or in the description bar. So you can check them out after this video if you like watching those kind of videos. Now, to get on into the unboxing. So if y'all don't know, I live in Canada. I live in Alberta, guys. There is nothing out here. We don't have great outlet stores or anything. Okay, we just don't. That's like a Vancouver, BC kind of vibe, and an Ontario, Toronto vibe, because we just don't really have anything like that out here in Alberta. So I have typically never really looked at Tory Burch bags before, because one, they're expensive. Like, yeah, they're a designer. They may not be on the price point of like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, right, price points, but they're in that Michael Kors to Coach, Marc Jacobs range, like they're affordable, but some of their items are like kind of prices. Do you know what I mean? So they're in that range. So typically, I don't look at their stuff because one, I don't really look at designer stuff, to be honest. Like, I'll look at like Louis Vuitton here and there, Gucci here and there, but like designer luxury items aren't my thing yet. It's starting to trickle down because I've bought a lot in the last month or so, which I really need to chill on. I need to do better, like, right? But typically I don't look at it. But me and my sister had gone for a day trip up to Edmonton, which is 3 hours away from where I live in like Calgary, right? And they have a premium outlet mall, and we in Alberta haven't had one before. And if you're like new to a premium outlet, it's like a mall that would have like OCC, like the cosmetic company, which sells like MAC, Estee Lauder, the Clinique, da da da. And when I was growing up, well, not growing up, because I'm like 32. Wow, I'm 32. And like before, when I first like started YouTube, like back in the day, everyone in the States would be like, oh, I went to my OCC and I got this MAC pigment for $10, la 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 la. We didn't have one of those in Canada. We had one like in Ontario, but that's a flight and a half away. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's far. So I was looking at the malls while we were hanging, and I was like, oh, we should go here because it's OCC. And like, I've been into one when I went on my cruise in 2018, 2019, because last year, yeah, 2019 I went on the cruise in Florida for the Uber Soaker cruise, and we had stopped at like the Florida outlets, and they had one. It was like really like overwhelmed, but I didn't need anything, so I didn't buy anything. I'm like diverting into all these other stories. Besides the point, so I was at this mall and I saw it had a Tory Burch outlet. And I was like, you know what? I've been looking for a card holder, because if you watch my Gucci or my Louis Vuitton, I had mentioned I wanted a card holder, and I couldn't find one that I liked. So I was like, let me go see. I ended up making 2 trips to it, so I don't know why. Went to Edmonton twice in a week, so I decided to go twice. So when I went, I found a card holder and a purse. If you watched my luxury wish list for 2021, I said I was looking to get the Yves Saint Laurent Toy Lulu in either the black and gold hardware or the black on black hardware, but I don't think I'm gonna get that this year because of the bag I just bought. So this is the Tory Burch bag. It's massive for what I got. So hold on. Let me pull it out. So I haven't used it yet because I was waiting to unbox it, because honestly I'm not going anywhere, and yeah, I didn't really need to unbox it. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the card holder I picked up, which matches perfectly with this bag. So this card holder, I don't know if it has a name. Oh, it matches. I didn't know that. So this is the Emerson case key ring ID insert. It's regular priced at $158, I think, based on this tag. It was on sale for $148, but then it was 50% off, which made it to be like $77 after tax. So this is what it looks like. And I thought this would be the perfect card holder to go between all my bags, because right now I have a Kate Spade crossbody bag I use quite regularly. It's like a nice maroon color. I've had it for like 5 years. I got it as a birthday gift from one of my friends 5 years ago. Still my favorite. Use it all the time. But that's maroon. My Gucci one is like yellow, if you didn't see. And my Marc Jacobs tote bag is black. So, and those are the bags that I currently have. So I figured a black card holder would go with any other bags that may come into my collection in the future. So this is what it looks like. What I like is that it had like the key ring option. So say you had a big tote bag like a Neverfull, you could hook it to that little D-ring that they have on the inside, so it doesn't fall to the bottom of your bag into the abyss of emptiness. You know what I mean? And it has the ID slot right here, and a one card holder right here. And then it has a zipper pocket that you could put more cards in. So I'm really excited about this one. This is probably going to be my everyday one, because I have my Louis Vuitton key pouch that I have my car keys on and a bunch of house keys on. I haven't decided what I'm doing with life with that yet, guys, so don't even, I don't know, right? So that's that. So I'm probably going to move some of like my cards that I don't need on a daily basis, because I honestly leave my house twice a week right now, maybe 3 times to go to work, depending on the week. So I don't need to walk with all my cards, so I probably switch the other ones that aren't like my everyday cards into this. So my wallet is a little, like my key holder is a little lighter, because that's what I usually leave the house with. Now, the bag I bought was the Emerson combo crossbody bag. This retails for $398, and it was on sale for $159. So it was like $167 after tax. So it's a really nice black bag. It's a single flap, if that matters. What I like about it, it's black. It's a nice size. It will fit all like my other items in it. So once I start wearing it, I'll come back with a little like update in a couple months on how it works, or how it's been wearing. And what I liked, I didn't empty it. It has a slip pocket on the back, which can hold my iPhone 12 Pro. It has it open like that, so it's easy access, not too tight, so I can grab my phone out. Like I said, it is a crossbody that has the D rings right here for it, which is really nice. You could wear it as a clutch if you didn't have those on. For the strap, shoot, I never bring scissors. Like, I'm not the smartest cookie when it comes to these unboxing, guys. Bear with me. It's an all leather strap that looks like that, and it's adjustable. Look, I'm not gonna go through all this right now. It's adjustable. So basically, it's gonna be a great everyday bag, honestly, because it's black. I believe, what did it say on the card? I think I saw that it was like, it's some kind of leather, I don't know. So this is what the inside looks like. Let me get all the stuffing out. It has one big opening here. It has a zipper pocket here. What's nice, it has the second zipper pocket in the front right here, which is a separate compartment from the main compartment, which is really nice. And like, it fits everything. Like, it can fit my pochette, mini pochette accessoire in here, my 6-key ring holder, my key pouch, the card holder, and my phone and hand sanitizer, and it sits really well, right? So this is this little mini unboxing for it. Like, I'm super excited that I found a black everyday purse that honestly cost me less than $200, and in total with the card holder, I spent maybe $250 at the max, which is great. Which means I'm good for purses right now. I don't really need another one. Hopefully, I don't know. My thoughts could change. That this is Shalicia we're talking about. Oh, look, I don't need it, then I'll buy it kind of stuff. You know what I mean? But yeah, if you like this video and you like these kind of unboxings, definitely subscribe to my channel. Like I said, follow me on all my social media. It'll be all listed down below. I'm trying to do like more mod shots and kind of thing, kind of video post on my Instagram. I'm trying to. I haven't posted anything for 2021 yet, I think. I don't know. Follow me on social media though. I'm trying to get more active on Instagram, Twitter. Please talk to me on Twitter, guys. I don't know if it's just because I stopped using Twitter. I just feel like out of the loop. But I'm always retweeting things I think that's funny, and I post like random stuff in the middle of the night. But you know, follow me there. Like, you know, it'd be nice to like have people to talk to. We could be friends. I like making friends. You could be my new friend, right? But yeah, I'll see y'all in another video real soon. Bye, y'all.